Good afternoon everybody, Tim Hewitt-Coleman, building freedom at Shimmering Farm where my sister Lindy lives, and we're setting out contour swales in the forest. What is a contour swale? It's a swale that runs on a contour, but how do you know where the contour runs? Just look at this dense forest here. You know, I could be here with my dumpy level and setting out with an optic leveling device, except we'd have to chop down all the trees first. So what do? We use our homemade leveling A-frame leveling device. This is something that we've almost copied from Bill Mollison. We've just added this little spirit level at the bottom to bring it into the modern era. So how does it work? You find, let's say you're trying to set out this path as we are doing through the forest here. We set out the one point there, and if we're looking for the position that is level with that, on contour with that, we observe the spirit level there, and you can see there it's out. Come a bit closer so we can show you what we're talking about. You see the spirit level over there, you can see the bubble is out. You've got to look right at that bubble. That bubble is out, and as we bring that point closer and closer, we will see, okay, voila, there it is. It's level in the center. So now we know that that point there and that point there are on the same contour. Now we mark this spot accurately, we keep that, and now we move the whole device on here, and we continue that, and we find by maneuvering this up and down the slope, we find where the level spot is. Now there's the level spot there. So these 2 feet are approximately 3 meters apart from each other. It's a nice and short compact device, so we can navigate through the forest of indigenous trees without chopping everything down. And within a half an hour we can cover a distance of 50 meters through the forest, setting out contour lines that will be able to then be excavated by hand, small tools, creating a slight mound on the one side, so when the stormwater comes it's able to be captured and held. And then we create pathways along that. We double the function of the swale into a pathway. Maybe with time we put fence lines up along there. These are permaculture principles that we're practicing here at my sister Lindy's farm, Shimmering, near George, near Neisner, in a beautiful forest. Tim Hewitt-Coleman, Building Freedom, out.